Are you looking for online freelance job? Then you need to see this new Web3 Freelance Marketplace where you can solve tasks, any crypto, and build your own chain CV. Bepro is a tax-based marketplace created to help businesses and builders or talents like you and me to thrive. So businesses come to Bepro and launch their tax, while we as freelancers or talents we come to Bepro, explore these tasks, solve these tasks, and earn crypto as a payment. Most importantly, Bepro is hosting a Hackfest where you can earn between $500 to $1,000 or more in crypto, solving tasks such as content writing, designing a poster, and development work. Now I'm going to show you how to join the Bepro Hackfest, how to explore tasks, how to work on tasks, how to submit tasks, and also how you can get paid in crypto. If you're interested in this, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notifications so that you're going to get updates whenever I drop another video like this one. So the first thing to do is to go over to Bepro.network and advise, if you're using a PC, you install the MetaMask extension, and if you're using a mobile device, use your Trust Wallet their browser, because this is a Web3 freelance marketplace. It doesn't need KYC or Gmail. All you need is a Web3 wallet. Okay, so I'm going to leave this website link in the description of this video for your easy access. And the next thing to do is what? When you go to the website, join the what? You can see what? Join the Hackfest. Click on join the Hackfest and it will take you to the tax marketplace. Watch here. You can see that my wallet will automatically connect because I have it active on my PC. So the first thing is to connect to your wallet. So my wallet here is automatically connected because it's active. Now you can look here, it says tax. Okay, so you want to find a tax that you want to work on, create a solution, and get paid. So the tax ranges from content writing, graphic designing, development work, and so many others. Okay, and currently now you can see that we have 14 tasks in progress. There's 4 closed tasks. Okay, so you can also use the search bar here to search for tasks, whether it's a smart contract task, search it here, or is it article writing task, search it here. So that is how you can use this search bar to do for tasks. Also, you can also sort by the newest uploaded, the oldest, the new highest reward, the lowest reward, to search for your for your task. So right now I'm going to teach you how to enter a task, how to start working on a task, and how to submit your work and get paid. So the first task we can see here is translate article, how to create a hackathon pitch to Brazilian Portuguese. And this task was created on this date here, 26/10/2023, and this is the amount of people that is available for those who work on this task: 24,242 Bepro token. So if you want to know the value of Bepro token, you can go over to Google and type Bepro token coin market cap to know the value of the Bepro token. So this project that we are seeing here is offering 24,000 in Bepro token, and you can see the value of one Bepro token live on coin market cap. So you can see the value is up by 17.97% in one day, or in 24 hours. So it is a new marketplace and it is trending because a lot of work coming and more people are using this marketplace. So don't snooze on this. Watch this video to the end and be a part of this system. Milk it before it gets saturated. Okay, so that is for the token. So yeah, you're going to click on the task if you want to work on it. Okay, so this is an example, and this is for basically for content writers. Okay, so as a content writer, you know that this is a job for you. Translate article, how to create a hackathon pitch to Brazilians Portuguese. So you can see the tag here: translation, content writing, article writing, to know who this job is for. So this is for the content writers. Now you can see the people who are currently working on this task. There are 3 people who are working on this task. As you can see here, people are working on this task. This is who created the task. You can see the person's wallet ID, but we can't know who the person is and the date the task was created. Okay, Remember we have currently seen the amount for this task. So you can see that there's one deliverable here, raw implementation from the marketplace. Okay, now you're going to read the description of the task to know what is required of you. So the goal of this task is to translate an article originally written in English into Brazilian Portuguese. Click the link to see the article that the client wants you to translate. Okay, and also ensure to read all of the description to know what is needed of you. And click on I'm working on a task. You can leave a comment that says I'm working on this task, working on this task. Okay, to let the client know that you're working on the task. Okay, when you click comment, it has been commented. Then you go to the article, you see the article that the client wants you to work on, and you're going to what, start working on the article. When you have work finished, okay, it's time to submit your article. Click the article link that you want to submit, go over there, scroll up, you're going to see create deliverable. Click on the create deliverable and a pop-up is going to show to you. Okay, the pop-up is to submit your work. Now you can read here, it says a deliverable is the work you have done to deliver what was asked by the task creator. By creating deliverables, you are indicating that you have finished the work and it could be reviewed, proposed as solution by the creator. Okay, so you can choose the type of the work. Is it a coding work, a design work, an other work, other work. So you can provide the link to your work. So you paste the link to the article that you have written, okay, and you're going to see a preview like this. So this is a task. This is a sample of how to submit your work. Okay, this is not the actual work. And you can put the title of the word of the task. Okay, convert article to Portuguese, whatever. Then this is description, and then you're going to write whatever you want to write about any comment you want to make. You're going to make a comment of the job you have done, and then you're going to click on what, preview, okay, and then you're going to what, create deliverable. So when you click on create deliverable, your task will be what, submitted. Your work will be what, submitted, and then the curators are going to what, review your task, and if your task is cool with them, they're going to release the payment to you, and the payment will be on to your what, your payment, your wallet. Okay, and you will see your payment history here. Payment will go to your what, to your wallet. In your wallet you have Bepro network, Bepro tokens and other tokens in your wallet. So yeah, so you're going to pay in crypto. So this is an easy way to work and get paid in crypto. There are so many tasks and more tasks are coming in different category. So always check in Bepro network marketplace to work on tasks and get paid in crypto. So you want to know how to sell your crypto, you can go over to the Bepro marketplace on CoinMarketCap, and you can see that Bepro token is listed on KuCoin or Uniswap, Gate, Ascent, CoinX, B2, and X Market. There are a lot of markets where you can sell whatever coin that you are earning in the Bepro marketplace. You can convert that to your local currency. So this is exactly how to use the Bepro marketplace, join the Bepro Hackfest, work on tasks, submit tasks, and get paid, irrespective of your skill, whether you are a designer, a writer, or a developer, or whatever you are. Marketplace is a new market for you to dive in and make money now that it is still new. And you can see the coin is doing very well, which is showing that it has a very good potential and is likely to do more in the bull run. So if you have any question, drop in the comment section and like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more updates like this. I'll see you on my next video. Let me go back to work.